Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, December the 5th. Andy Wood here. So this is my second video. Yesterday I was pleased to announce to my lovely niece that I had a video channel on YouTube now, and she said, Uncle Andy, she said, you're a YouTuber. And that was fabulous. Really enjoyed sharing that with her. So the one thing that I wanted to talk to you about this morning is my full-time job right now is in the insurance business. I'm a property and casualty agent here at Clark Insurance in Raleigh. We're an independent agency. We represent a bunch of different companies, so we have lots of different options and opportunities to help people out. The main thing that I want to touch on this morning is that I talk to hundreds and hundreds of people. And my main overarching theme to them when we start the conversation is, number one, it's educational. And then two, it's let's think about your big picture, long-term financial picture, if you will. You know, everybody looks at insurance and they think of, I want to save money now. And I get that. We get that. Everybody wants to save money, yes. But the important thing is to look at the overall financial impact that having the right insurance can have on you. You know, so I see a lot of people come through the door and they say, Andy, will you take a look at my insurance for me? And I get their information, I start looking at it, and we look at specifically the liability portion of things. And I say, you know what, you're okay, but I'd like to see it a little bit higher. And they say, why? And then I go through that with them. And then when they see the difference in cost, that going from their current level to what we feel is a sufficient level that's going to protect you adequately, it's like this light bulb goes off. And so what I'm seeing is that more and more people, number one, don't really know what they have, and that's okay. You're not an insurance agent, and you don't look at your insurance coverages on a Friday night. You don't break them out and look at them over dinner. But then number two is that maybe a lot of people haven't had someone just take the 5 minutes and go through it with them, what each line item means, and as far as protection, what levels they should be carrying and why. At the end of the day, you're the boss. But on the front end, it's my responsibility and insurance agents in general to go over those things with you. And I'm just seeing there's a general lack of that type of education. So do me a favor. If you have not looked at your insurance coverage in the last 6 months to a year, some folks even longer than that, get them out, or go online, print them off, and if you'd like, scan them in, email me. I'm going to try to put a link in there to my email address here, or look me up on Facebook. It's facebook.com/AndyWoodNC is my personal work page. So give me your information. I'll be glad to look at it with you. We can schedule a time to talk as well. I'm a big texter, so we can talk on the phone, we can email, we can text, and I'd love to help you out. So thank you very much for tuning in. I hope this just gives you a little bit of insight as to how I operate, how we here at Clark Insurance operate. It's all about education, and it's all about the big picture. Having said all that, thank you very much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.